Hello, my name is Hala Mehyar. I'm a PhD candidate from Khalifa University. I'm basically working on the Bound Pack 2 project. It is a collaborative effort between Khalifa University and the Bristol University and other universities. So our university is a partner of this work. It includes a huge experimental work regarding the bounding between the deck and the abutment backfill system. As I said, it's a part of my PhD work, which is an experimental work on the deck and abutment backfill system. Such an important and a huge campaign of work. It's just an interesting work. I have attended the experimental work with the University of Bristol, and having such a novel idea that was implemented in a large scale project is such something that is interesting, and inshallah we will come up with more exciting results and more interesting conclusions. This is basically it is a part of my PhD project. So basically we are investigating what is the effect of the deck bounding on the abutment backfill system, to identify the bounding parameters, and basically to identify the effective mass of the backfill. Having this such type of experiments that basically will support our numerical models and will inform the calibration of the bounding parameters. So basically this is the significance of such experiment.